Doing laundry is my favorite pastime, said no one ever. While it's certainly not fun, doing laundry should at least be safe, right? But some detergents can contain pretty nasty ingredients like optical brighteners, which can actually irritate sensitive skin. Also, 1,4-dioxane, which is classified as a human carcinogen by many regulatory agencies, those can be in your laundry detergents, as well as chemical surfactants, which can be highly toxic to aquatic life. And then you have synthetic fragrance components that can also be irritating to the lungs, and they're also often made from petroleum. And what about those heavy plastic laundry jugs? They're great for working out your biceps, but they're bad for the environment. 700 million are dumped in North American landfills every single year. The Norwex EcoWash laundry detergent strips offers a safe, clean, eco-friendly alternative. Each strip is preloaded with our ultra-concentrated plant-based detergent, no harmful chemicals, and it's also biodegradable with no aquatic toxicity. In fact, it's 60% USDA bio-based, so you can be confident that it's made from many renewable ingredients. One strip will clean one regular load, and it's great for travel and on the go. Just tear it, toss it, and wash it. And they're all packaged in this earth-friendly cardboard sleeve. So Norwex EcoWash laundry detergent strips are better for your family and the planet.